working some calculus, and we're in evaluating limits analytically. I believe on this section here, I got to take a look. We're going to be doing these guys here. Okay, 11. So let's click on that. I have to look at that to make sure what's going on. Okay, so we're still dealing with these radicals, and I'm going to tell you how to deal with them. Evaluate the limit. We got the limit as x approaches 95. Whoa. We got the square root of x plus 5 minus 10 over x minus 95. So everybody gather around. Let's go inside the classroom. There's a big whiteboard in there. In fact, I'll tell you how big it is. Everybody in the world can see it, as long as they do the right things. Alright, we have the limit. I've been talking all kinds of trash lately. We got the limit as x approaches 95. I wish I could speak a lot of other languages. Then I could help a lot of other people. That would be cool. Now, I did study French, but that was a long time ago. And I'll tell you something I've learned by looking at the statistics. It's really strange. I don't know if there's a blackout in France or what, or people don't study math or don't need help, but I don't ever get any views from France. I think it's every single country except China, of course, which is, that's just a sad thing. I mean, it really is sad that the Chinese people can't view YouTube. I mean, you know, it's just a sad thing. But anyway, we're doing direct substitution here. Terrible. So all you other people out there that are able to get on YouTube from other countries, feel fortunate that you're not living in North Korea, China, or wherever else they black out the internet. It's terrible. Anyway, we got, what do we got? We got 0 down here. We got 0 up here. And 95 plus 5 is 100, right? Square root of 100 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. Yeah, I've used YouTube to learn a lot of stuff, especially programming languages. I mean, it is like great for that. I've learned a ton of different subjects using YouTube. Fixed my vehicle on a number of occasions, home appliances. I mean, wow, it's amazing. What's really amazing is the people out there who take time to make these videos to help other people out. You know, like me. Over x minus 95. Okay, I think what I've been doing, if you looked at the videos in section 10 on the click the 10 button, I've been multiplying the like for example the one that involves the radical here by its conjugate, and so we're going to do that again and see how that works out. So let's try this out. Plus, we got to put a plus sign here now. But there's some pretty terrible things that are on YouTube that I think Google needs to do something about, but whatever. Okay, let's try this. So we got the square root of x plus 5 times square root of x plus 5. And that just ends up being x plus 5. Then we got minus 10 times positive 10, so that becomes a negative 100. And then that's all over x minus 95. Now you might be asking, where do you come up with all these problems? Well, I've been doing math for a long time, and I just kind of sit down and say, this was a problem somebody had on a test, or I had on a test, or one like it. I got a ton of textbooks I look in, old textbooks. I mean, most of these problems I actually just make up from experience or go back to my notes um, of the many years that I spent with students, working with students. Okay, and then we got x minus 95 down here. I'm putting parentheses around this because we got this here. And plus 10. Okay, so we can cancel out some things here. We can cancel this guy out, and now we can rewrite this limit. Thank goodness for the last time. Sorry that gets in the way right there. I have to put that in there because, well, I had some issues with somebody stealing my videos and putting them on their website. So this time if they steal them, at least hopefully people will know where they came from and who made them. Yep, and he was making lots of money. So there you go. I should have took some legal action against that individual. And that actual math website's still out there. He would steal videos from other math people. He didn't know a lick of math. And then he was charging on his website. And he's an actual professor at a university here in the United States. Yeah, pretty disgusting. Okay, what do we got? We got square root of 100, which is 10. Yeah, pretty terrible. And then I get these crazy messages from Google saying, is this your actual work? I'm just like, are you kidding me? I'm not the one stealing stuff. So we had 1 over 20. No, I don't do that. I know enough math to come up with my own math. Stealing somebody else's. Um, so we had 1 over 20, and there it is, right? There it is. Let's click the help button. I'm just kind of curious what the heck that craziness looks like. And there you go. Of course, you'll be able to, see this stuff to the right. I can't move this frame. Once this thing is going, they can't move it. Somebody complain to TechSmith out there, please. I wish you could move this thing, but I don't know. Can't do it. And I'm not about to buy the $300 version. Okay, there it is. And here we are. We're GoToMath.com. See you there. Bye.